Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to add a list in Trello web application. So the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Trello web application and connect with your Trello account. And if you don't already have an account, all you need to do is to connect with your either Google, Facebook or Apple accounts, and then we need just to follow the simple steps. So basically, after you remove or you connect successfully into your Trello web portal, you will need just to go to your board and where you want to add your list. So basically, either you are going to click on boards and you will find your list of boards, or you can just go to your board section and you will find the list of your boards and uh, click on the board where you want to add the list. So basically, after you reach your board, we will find a button that is called add another list, and this way we will be able to add a list. So let's just type list example, and we have it, right? And as you can see, I have now successfully added a new list here. And basically, you can now add your cards, card 1, card 2, etc. And as you can see, now we have our list example that we have just added successfully. So basically, this is how you can add lists in a Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.